Good morning. I'm giving you enough time to get your ingredients together. There are 5 cup salad. One's coconut, sour cream, mini marshmallows, drained pineapple chunks, and drained Maryland oranges. Good morning. It's me. I'm going to make a dessert for Thanksgiving. I'm going to my sister's. And I thought I'd share it with you. You probably know it and have used it a lot, but it's something that I have made for many holidays when my family was young, and this is called a 5 cup salad. It's got I'll use 8 ounces of sour cream, which is a cup, of course. 1 can, this is a 10-ounce can of Mandarin oranges. And a can of pineapple chunks. This can is 8 ounces, which is perfect. Then I just love these little things. They're mini marshmallows. And there's lots of brands out there. I just happened to pick this one up. It's called Jet Puffed. You can read that. And there's 10 ounces, but usually I use about a cup. That's why it's called 5-cup salad. And then, of course, you got to have the good coconut. Now, don't buy the cheap coconut. Buy the good coconut. This coconut is sweetened, and I really like Baker's coconut because it tastes more like fresh coconut. And I'll use a cup of that also. And then what I'll do is in this bowl, I'll add everything in. I haven't got a pretty serving bowl to present it at Thanksgiving lunch today, so I'm going to have to call my sister to see what kind of container she has, because I'm going to her house for Thanksgiving with her family. So anyway, you'll just see me. I'm just going to fold all this stuff together in this bowl, if you can see. If you can see it or not. Cameras are hard to fix up, aren't they? Okay. But one thing I forgot to get is a spoon. So, here's a spoon. Got my spoon, got my bowl, and I'll start out putting the sour cream in. And I'll put a cup in there, which is half of this container, because this is a 16 ounce, so I used 8 ounces of sour cream. And then I'm going to add the Mandarin oranges after they've been drained. Be sure to drain these fruits. And then this is the chunk pineapple. Sure that's drained. These are all for recycling here. And we'll put in a cup. This is 14 ounces, so I'm going to put about a cup's worth. Some people put less, some people put more, some people don't even put coconut in. And then the last thing, see here, and then the last thing is, of course, marshmallows. Now, one thing about my kids used to be able to help me with this, and this is one of the things they really liked to do. So I'm just going to stir this all together, as you can tell. See? And that sour cream just holds everything together. Some people put nuts in it. I don't. I just keep it basic. Because when the kids were young, this was a very expensive dessert to make. Because, when you're young, you're on limited income anyway. Like I worked at Minute Man, a hamburger place. But anyway, and there is your salad. Isn't that beautiful? And believe it or not, if you like those things that you put in here, now you can put all kinds of fruit. I guess you could use peaches or whatever. But to me, this is the dessert I like to make. And it's called I call it 5-cup salad. And I think the family will enjoy that. And I'll call my sister now and see if she has some kind of container to put this in so it'll look nice on the table or the buffet at the family dinner at her house. I hope when you're having a wonderful Thanksgiving day. We've had a little bit of rain, but it's been really quite beautiful. So have a good day, and be sure to subscribe, like, and share. Bye-bye.